Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And if you're out there looking for hearing aids, most of the time, alright, you came across those who are in the 4 digits range, like $1,000 and above, and they are way too costly. Alright, but if you are looking for a cheaper alternative, there's this thing called over-the-counter hearing aids, where they are much cheaper, alright, because they are not specifically made for you, alright, but it can still help you improve your hearing for a way fraction of a price, of 1/10 of the price. And what I have here, alright, is the Retekess TE201 hearing aid. Right over here, this is the over-the-counter one, which is way cheaper. Alright, if you are for like a mild or medium hearing loss, not like very terrible hearing loss, this will be a better alternative, and you guys can save a lot more, alright, comparing to get an actual hearing aid, which will cost you in the thousands of dollars. Alright, so yeah, so today I'm going to take a look at this one, and let me just go ahead and unbox this to see what we get inside the box. And after that, I'm going to just try on myself. Although myself, alright, disclaimer, I do not have any hearing loss, but we'll see how much clearer, alright, it gets when I put this on. So I'm going to give you my most honest verdict on how this actually sounds like. Alright, so without further ado, let me just go ahead and open this and see what we get in the package itself. Okay, so this is the first box we have in here. Alright, we do get quite a few things over here. Okay, let me just get a few things out. Alright, we do have a lanyard over here, alright, to put your hearing aids just in case you're afraid you lost them. Alright, this is a lanyard for you to clip it in. Alright, we have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable itself, and we do have the base station itself. So this is the base station where you put on your hearing aid. So you can just put this beside the desk, on your bed, beside your bed, or on the table when you're getting ready to go to work, or you have elderly parents. Alright, they can just pick them up, plug it in, and good to go. Alright, so this is the charging base itself. And now let's take a look at the other box itself. So let's put the rest of the thing aside here and see what we get inside here. So we do get a really nice, alright, carrying pouch over here and a user manual over here. Alright, so yeah, this is a really nice carrying pouch, so you can use this to carry around while traveling, while protecting, alright, your hearing aids, because this is a hard shell case, so to prevent any damages to it. And it is very nicely presented inside here, right here. Alright, and on top here we do have various tips and cleaning tools to clean your hearing aids itself. Alright, on the top here, very nicely. But now let's take a closer look at the hearing aids itself. So what the most thing I noticed about this hearing aid that is that the cable is very thin. So if you want something that is less obvious, alright, to tell people that you are wearing a hearing aid, alright, you want less people to notice around, this will be perfect. And you can see the color of this thing is very close to the skin color, so it is very discreet. Alright, you guys can see they have both the left and right side. We have a volume on top here where you guys can just adjust the volume if it gets too loud or too soft. Alright, you guys can also adjust the volume over here. They have a button over here that can switch between 4 different modes. Alright, so what are the 4 different modes? They have indoor, they have outdoor, alright, movie mode, as well as universal mode. So you can just switch between the modes that you are in the certain situation to fit what the situation in well. Alright, so how does this goes? Alright, you guys can see there is a thing that's labeled, alright, L over here. Alright, so L goes into the left side of the ear, and this one goes into the right side of the ear. And you guys can see you don't need to be plugged in because there's a battery inside here itself, and you guys can see it's charging on its own. But you guys can keep it plugged in all the time, alright, with a plug-in this one, so you guys can just put it beside your desk, and then when you go to sleep, just plug this in, and during the morning and you're good to go, or just take this out. Alright, so on the right side, just put this into the right side itself, alright, and it is ready to go. You don't have to turn it on, you don't have to do anything. Alright, let me just put it on for you guys to see. Okay, so it is very instant. You don't have to turn it on, you don't have to do anything, any tweaking, alright, and you don't need any apps to do so. So it's straight away. Alright, just plug it in, and and overall, wow, okay, it is very clear. Although someone with me without any hearing loss or something, but yeah, it is very clear. I am surprised by how clear it goes, and it can go deep inside your ear canal. You guys can see, you guys can barely tell I'm wearing a hearing aid. It can go even deeper, but I'm not going to do so, alright? But yeah, you guys can go way deeper in as well, and it's very discreet, so no one will know that you're wearing a hearing aid. So I'm speaking to you directly over here, you cannot tell that I'm wearing a hearing aid, and my gosh, okay, this thing is very clear. Okay, so yeah, I'm surprised by how clear this thing gets. Okay, so yeah, I can adjust the volume on the area itself, and overall the surrounding just feels more amplified. So yeah, and it has dual microphone itself, so yeah, it's to capture, you know, the voice clarity. They have noise reduction as well, so if you're in a very loud noisy environment and someone is talking to you, all right, it doesn't pick up the background noise, all right, just focuses on the person that you're talking to, or like a group of friends you're talking to, all right. You can only pick up their voices really well, and they can up and down to 45 decibel plus minus, which is really impressive, all right, on paper, which is basically means that, you know, no matter what kind of sound, too loud or too low, or it is able to capture its very low noise. It can still able to pick it up by the mic, and you know, you guys can hear it very clearly. So I'm impressed. Really lightweight and super comfortable, and for the price it is really good, all right. And this is the slightly more cheaper side of the over-the-counter hearing aid, but you guys can see it just looks really good, all right. Very lightweight, very professionally done, and it just overall really comfortable. And they also have IPX2, all right, splash resistance and rain resistant, all right. Probably not to use it in a very heavy downpour, but you know, slight splashes, all this mist, all this is really fine, all right. It is still able to withstand all this mist because it's IPX2. So yeah, it's really awesome, all right. And the battery life can last up to 8 hours, all right. So yeah, on a full day, 8 hours, I think that is pretty enough, all right, unless if you want to go more than that, all right. And it can last up to 40 hours in total, all right, if you are using it with this case itself. Generally not a case but a stand itself. So so yeah, a bit of a hassle, all right, if you want to carry this around, but other than that, all right, you guys can see, all right, although it's a bit of a hassle, but I mean, for the price itself, you want the one with the case one, they do have the one with the case one. I believe the TE202 that I reviewed earlier on, all right, that comes with a case, but it, you know, it's slightly more costly. So if you want to save a bit more, all right, this will be the perfect one. All right, it looks really nice in this charging case itself. All right, it is an actual hearing aid. All right, so yeah, this is not like a Bluetooth you know, earpiece, all this that made it like look like a hearing aid. This is an actual hearing aid that actually amplifies the surrounding and everyone you're speaking to. So this is not like any earpiece that you put on and you know, just make it clear. It's not those kind of one. So this is the actual kind of hearing aids that, you know, you will get out there, all right. And it is for a fraction of the price. So if you don't want to spend thousands of dollars on an actual hearing aid, this will be the best next available option right here, the over-the-counter hearing aids. This is the Retekess TE201, and like I said, I wear it on. It's really comfortable, very discreet, all right. And the color is the same as your skin color, so it's really awesome. 4 different modes to change to, all right. And 8 hours battery life, which is totally amazing. Super lightweight, and you can wear it whole day without feeling any discomfort at all. So yeah, this is one of the hearing aids that I would highly recommend if you guys are out there looking for a cheaper alternative. This will be perfect for you, all right. This looks perfect, all right. And I've actually reviewed a lot of other hearing aids at this price point, but those doesn't have this kind of design over here, all right. This kind of discreet design. Most of them just looks like a normal earbuds straight out of the box, right? If you've seen some of our reviews before, all right, it's just like earbuds straight out of the box. So just basically putting on earbuds, and it's all right, it does sounds good, but it doesn't look as good and sounds way clearer than this one itself. So this is really awesome. And if you guys want to check out this, all right, Retekess TE201 hearing aids, all right, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right away, all right, and start having a much clearer hearing, all right. So yeah, so without further ado, all right, if you guys want to check out this Retekess TE201 hearing aids, over-the-counter hearing aids, once again, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this for yourself right now. And one thing I forgot to mention is that because this thing is just plug and play, you do not need to connect your phone, you don't need to set it up, you don't need to do anything. So this is perfect for if you have elderly parents who, you know, don't know how to use phone or this, or you guys, they can just plug and play, and you can just help them adjust using the buttons over here to adjust. So you guys can ask them, hey, is this too loud? Then you can just adjust for them, and you know, all is physically done on the hearing aid itself. No apps needed, very easy, especially for elderly parents. They can just wake up, plug this on, and go on with their day. So which is really awesome, which this is one thing I love about hearing aids. There's no setup needed. All right, so yeah, and that's all for today, guys. I found this video really interesting and really helpful. Do let me know in the comment section as well. And if you guys out there want to get this hearing aids right now, go ahead and check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right now, the Retekess TE201. TE201. All right, and yeah, and check it out right now. All right, the first link in the video description down below. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. And this is jforce Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.